Okay, first things first, this hair is from one of my old favorites. This was one of my favorite hair companies for like the longest, and then I stopped purchasing from them because I was having a little bit of issues. And then I decided to give them a chance again, Asteria Hair. I'm just gonna tell you guys what came inside of the box. It just says discover your unique beauty inside there and all their contact information. So there is a scarf in here, the usual. There is a pair of eyelashes here. There also is one of their little satin edge wraps. It did come with a edge brush as well. These come in very handy. I actually love when hair companies put these in the box. And then a 2-pack of wig caps. The satin drawstring bag that you can put your unit in if you want to store it for later. And then I didn't even see this the first time around, or I definitely would have used it. They came out with their own little melt band. So it says Edge Melt Band on it, and it has their logo on it. And it does have the Velcro strap here so that you could put it on and then you won't have to tie it. You can just stick it to the Velcro. This is actually really adorable. I wish I would have seen this because I definitely would have used it. So I'm gonna have to leave this outside the box so that I know that that's something I could be using. So that's all for the contents that came in the box. So this is one of their 5x5 HD lace closure wigs. And you guys wanna know the funny thing is usually I do not like water wave hair because I feel like it doesn't really have a defined curl pattern. So I pretty much tend to not get that hair texture. It's never really been one of my favorites. However, theirs might just be the exception. Like, do you guys see these curls? They are definitely not too tight, not too loose either. I actually like their water wave hair. I've seen other, hair reviews from other different companies with their water wave hair, and that's what never really drawn me into getting this texture. But after getting this one and seeing how it cooperates with no product on it at all, the only thing that I used on this hair was just water, and then I left it to air dry. I actually would consider getting this texture from them again. I did get it in 24 inches. The density on it is 180. Now you can get Swiss lace or HD lace. I did get HD lace, of course, and you do get to choose your cap size. I always get mine in a small, and this wig was about $330. I think I used someone else's discount code from under their video, so it was like around maybe $315. It just took like $10–15 off, so that helped just a tad bit. Like I mentioned, I didn't use any product on this hair. This is simply just water. As you can see, the hair has a really pretty shine to it. The ends could use a little bit more moisture, so that's the only thing I've noticed about the wig so far. And then, oh, most importantly, you guys, like I said, I got this wig in a size small cap size, but I feel like this small runs extremely small, and I think this was a part of one of the issues I was having with them before, so I decided to stop buying from them because I would get smalls from them before, everything was fine, and then something changed later on down the line and I was having too many issues and had to keep having them send me replacement wigs. So I don't know, I'm not gonna say maybe it's me because I get all of my wigs in a size small. It's just maybe one thing I will have to keep in mind for wigs from this particular hair company is to go up and get a medium. So I will say the small fits pretty small. My wig is not even down all the way in the back, you guys, because that's how small it is. Like, I'll show you guys. See how you can see my little wig cap here? This is the wig. I'm not able to fully pull it down just because if I do that, then the front part of the wig will slide back. So runs a little bit on the smaller side, but just know that if you are small, go ahead and get this wig in a size medium just to ensure that it fits you really well. If you guys watch most of my videos, you guys will notice for my glueless installs, I tend to use the, where is it? I think I actually have it right here. The Bold Hold liquid gold. However, I have been using this Even Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. So far, I really like this product. This is a product that was able to help me achieve this flawless lace melt that you guys see. So yeah, you guys, I really like this hair texture. Like, a lot of times you guys ask me, like, can you straighten curly hair? You guys tend to ask that under my curly hair videos, and I personally have never put heat on any of my curly units except for to flatten the top and, hit the edges of the lace or whatever. This hair is true to length, true to density. Get a little bit of shedding with this hair. That's totally normal. It's nothing too crazy. So that wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.